Welcome back to another video in my channel, Orderflow with Ethan. So today's video will be about how to actually learn how to trade footprint charts. This is a beginner guide on what you should do if you really want to understand how the Orderflow footprint chart actually works. So this one will have a lot of insights that would help you a lot, so please stay to the end because we'll cover insightful informations in this video. So trading the order flow is different than trading the candlestick charts or any different type of trading. When you're trading the candlestick charts, you're focusing on setups. You're trading a setup that is believed to happen all over again, and it's more pragmatic. It's like, if you do this, do this. If this happens, do this, and which is basically something that can never occur twice in a market. So institutional traders are not that stupid to actually not realize that people can just go and do all the same thing over again so they can win money, because it simply doesn't work like that. The world cannot give you money easily. And just so you know, trading is the hardest easy way to make money. Try to understand it. It's the hardest way to earn easy money. So money is easy, yes, but it's the hardest one to earn. So when you're trading the footprint charts or order flow, basically, you're trading supply and demand. You're focusing on supply and demand economics base, and also you're focused on liquidity and market behavior, and your trades are based on market behavior. You don't just go and, if bullish harami happens, buy. If bullish engulfish or whatever happens, sell. No, it doesn't work like that in the world of trading, because basically that's not the way you trade. I'm not going to buy potatoes because bullish harami said buy potatoes, and then that means I should buy them now because the price is gonna be more expensive later. So the market is about supply and demand. How many people want to sell, how many people want to buy, and how much quantity is offered to be sold, and how much quantity is offered to be bought. And this is why once you understand it, you will conquer the markets. Okay, so most people get confused when they see a footprint chart for the first time. I did too. The first time I saw this, I was like, man, what the hell? How can I learn that all of these numbers, all of these colors, all of these boxes or whatever they call them, those red, there's red here, there's green, there's, oh, what is this? There's those small red and green boxes everywhere, then this delta, whatever. I'd want to learn math, man. Come on, this is not trading. Yes, I said the same thing too at the first time. Like, that's all right. Like, that was my point of view when I first saw trading order flow. Okay, but trust me, with time it's going to be better. It's not going to be gibberish anymore, but it's going to be easy as hell. So here I see already 4 or 5 positions easily. So just analyze and you see that it's pretty easy. Once you get that, it's gonna take time. Yes, it's going to take some time, maybe a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, something, but trust me, once you get over that, you have overcome a great barrier, and then you can trade whatever chart you want. Trust me. So one thing to know about the order flow footprint charts, it is not a strategy. It doesn't give you strategies to do. Like, it doesn't tell you, oh, if this happens, do this, if this happens, do that. No, it is not predictive, by the way, and there is a translation of order execution. So it's basically telling you how many people bought, how many people sold, and that's basically the footprint. It's footprints. It's basically, it's as if you're following someone. Imagine you're following a buyer and seller fighting together, and you're just seeing the footprints that they have. Okay, so they left this here, they left this here, and you can understand basically how did the market go down, how did the market go up. It's pretty easy. The market went up because you had many imbalances, many positive deltas. Market eventually went down because you can see all of these stacked imbalances and these single prints happening all over here. And let's not forget these red deltas on the delta bar. So what should you do in order flow? First of all, analyze the bid and ask inside each candle. So understand why and how the price went up or down, and analyze the market behavior rather than try to spot random setups. Don't find bullish order flow harami here. Just rather focus on understanding why does market go down or go up, because once you understand it, if you're facing that scenario, you're gonna know if the market is going up or down. And that is why I'm telling you, try to focus on this more than setups and random trading crap you find online. So core things and behaviors you must see. First of all, aggression, absorption, and failure, which is exhaustion. We have had more than 15 videos. 50% of the channel is talking about these three setups, so go check out all those videos. They are very, very important. So how you should learn order flow as a beginner? You should understand the core idea behind supply and demand. Use setups just as confirmation points rather than entries. Understand how the aggression, the absorption, and exhaustion appear in the market, so once they appear you can spot them, and keep asking yourself who's in control. So this is very important, because if you know who's in control, you basically have 50% edge of the market. You know that buyers are stronger than sellers, or sellers are stronger, someone is getting weaker, someone's getting stronger. That's basically order flow trading. So order flow footprint is different than your traditional trading, and thus you need to develop a new way of thinking about the market. Don't forget about this bearish engulfer, 3 white kings, 3 black crows, Pearson line, abandoned baby, bullish harami, harami bearish, shooting star. These are all crap. They will get you nowhere. Do you think people in JP Morgan sit and trying to find an abandoned baby? Or do they think they studied quantum finance for tickets just to spot 3 white knights in the market? This is basically them trying to scam you in the market. They show you these type of information that would obviously make you go abandon baby and then sell, but the price will actually get the market up. Okay, so order flow is not about if X happens buy, if Y happens sell. No, sorry. Order flow is all about understanding why the market behaved in such a way and why the price went up or down, which gives you a better edge of the market, obviously. So let's analyze this together. For example, well, we're not trying to find setups that happen every time. Here, for example, you've had trap traders. Here, eventually the market went down. Then we got 2 PLCs at the same level. Market went up, then gave us 4 stacked imbalances, went for a quick correction, and then it went up again. Same thing here. At one point, maybe the market was going up. At one point, it got tired. It tested the zone the first time, came back, gave us this great single print, and then went down, and kept on giving us single prints all to the way down. So thank you guys for watching this short video where we explained how you should learn order flow. If you got any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and